This is a video tutorial from IT for Medics. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to use filters in Excel. So I'm going to speak about how to use the autofilter, then how to filter more than one column in a table, and then how to copy this filtered data into another sheet to be used for something else. So here we have a large table with lots of data in it, and in the column new or follow-up, I only want to see the new patients. So what I need to do is filter this table. So what I do is I go to the top to data, and then I click filter, and it automatically populates filters on all of the column headers of the table, all the way along. So what I do is I click in this header here, and I deselect all, and then I click new, because that's the value I want to see in the column, and I don't want to see the others. So if I click OK, what it's now done is it's hidden all of the rows that have follow-up. So all you can see are the new patients. Now next, if I wanted to include another filter, so I only wanted to see new female patients, I can go to the gender column and do the same. So I can unselect, select all, and then I can click female and OK, and here we go. I only have the new patients who are female. And the next thing I want to do is I want to copy this table to another place, so that then say later on I could make some charts, or I can just keep this data separate so that I can refer to it later. So if I highlight all of the columns that I want to copy, let's say I just wanted to copy these ones, so I can do any area I can copy, and then I go to copy, and then I go to a new sheet, and then I click paste, and it has only pasted the data that I selected with the filters applied. And now the last thing I want to do, if I go back to the original table, is I want to undo my filters. So in order to do that, I go back to this filter here, and I click select all, and then OK, and then I go back to the other filter that I've selected, and I do the same. Note that the icon is different if you have a filter applied. So these are all just arrows, and these have a filter icon, and that shows you which rows, which columns have a filter applied. There we go. And now we have the original table back, but we also have the data that I filtered earlier still in this other sheet. So we covered how to use the auto filter, so how to filter individual columns. Then I showed you how to filter more than one column, and I also showed you how to copy the filtered data over to another table. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.